So details of how to do the overhand knot. We're going to come over start with our bite, come over our column 2 times. Make sure you use those 2 fingers to guide the ropes around, maintaining that 2 fingers of distance in between your column and your rope at all times. Measure approximately 6 inches at this point, which is the crossing over point. When you cross over, make sure that you crossed over and you caught those tails here. Afterwards, you're going to guide the bite through that gap and around to the other side. Once you're at the other side, you should be able to pull away from everything, and this should all come away and be evenly tensioned. Lastly, we're just going to do an overhand knot. So as the name implies, coming over our hand, and we're going to bring this bite over the tails, and then it's going to come back up and through this hole that we're creating right there. This creates a bit of a half bend in the rope, but a good, quick and easy single column tie that you can use for most groundwork. It is a collapsible tie, so that will happen when force is applied to it, but you can easily fix that collapse by just giving it a little twist on the running end of the tails. Pull that over the bite, and then you have a nice stable single column that's perfect for use on the floor.